By default, your iPhone tracks your location, but you can always pop in and see your location history. And you can do one of two things. You can clear your history if you wanted to wipe out those old locations, or you can choose to completely turn it off if you don't want your iPhone tracking your location. I'll show you exactly how to do that. The first thing we're going to do is open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down until you get to Privacy and Security and tap on that. Tap on Location Services and then scroll down and tap on System Services at the bottom. This is where all of the iOS location tracking is. You can see towards the bottom is Significant Locations and Routes. This is where it tracks your location. So just tap on that. You will need to use your Face ID to unlock this. And you have two options on here. Sometimes it will show you your summary or your records. I usually have this off, so there's nothing in here. I can choose to clear the history, and it says, are you sure you want to clear those significant locations? And I can just tap Clear History, and it will delete out all of those old locations. But I can also choose to turn it off at the top, and keep in mind it does say that disabling it will disable some services such as Maps, Driving Focus, CarPlay, etc. But if you no longer wanted that feature on and for it to track your location, you can always just toggle it off at the very top. I hope this helps. I know your time is valuable, so thanks for spending a little bit of your day here with me, and I hope to catch you on the next one.